Every time you cook a meal, you're doing something no other animal on Earth naturally does. Humans are the only species that transforms raw food with fire before eating it. But when did this actually start, and why did it change us forever? For millions of years, our ancestors ate everything raw: tough meat, hard roots, fibrous plants. Chewing alone could take hours every single day just to get enough calories to survive. Then, most likely by accident, something changed. A wildfire may have swept through a forest, leaving behind cooked animal carcasses. Early humans who dared to try this scorched meat noticed something surprising. It tasted better, and it was far easier to chew. Once early humans controlled fire, they didn't just use it for warmth and safety anymore. They began cooking on purpose, holding meat over flames, letting it roast slowly, turning a lucky accident into a daily habit. Here's why this mattered so much. Cooking breaks down tough fibers and proteins before they even reach your stomach. That means your body has to work far less to digest a cooked meal compared to a raw one. Because cooked food is easier to digest, our bodies could absorb far more calories and nutrients from every meal. Scientists believe this extra energy is part of what allowed the human brain to grow larger over hundreds of thousands of years. Cooking also freed up an enormous amount of time. Instead of spending hours chewing tough raw food every day, early humans could spend that time hunting, building tools, and caring for their families. And just like fire itself, cooking became something that brought people together. Sharing a cooked meal around a fire turned eating into a social event, one of the very first forms of community bonding in human history. From a lucky bite of accidentally scorched meat to family dinners around a table today, cooking changed not just what we eat, but who we became as a species. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.